Okay, so this one comes with the template, which is very nice. It will make it perfectly in the middle. I screw up a few of them already. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the installation kit. Wow, this thing. So 4 dust absorber, 4 wet towels, 1 cleaning, and the template. This is amazing. Okay, so today I'm going to do the 2XR phones. So this towel is to clean it. We should look through the light so you can see if any dust. So now from here we can see there's no dust. Okay, so we use this to remove the dust, and then we can put on. Now we put on the template, and we have to look on the side, make sure there's no dust. So even after I put on the template, I still try to get all the dust to make sure before I put the other one on. Okay, so this is the one. We're going to peel it off and put it. So it's on. Wow, it's so easy. Now we're going to use this to get all of these out. The bubble. We need to take it out of the case so we can remove. God, it is so good. It came out perfect. Amazing. Now the only thing that we need to know is how the touch screen is working. The old one the other one I used wasn't good. Okay, so this is the second one. All perfect. Amazing. I do like this. Unbelievable. Okay, with the case back on. Looks pretty. So let's turn it on again. Okay, iPhone XR with the cover from Sparing. So if you look at the screen, the fitment is off a little bit. Unbelievable. The template is perfect. Oh, we need to check with the screen itself. So we're going to do that. That little button on the bottom is the one I had trouble with the last glass. So I have to tap really in the middle or something. But this one seems to be okay. It hit right on the dot. Very responsive. Very accurate. Well, very okay, baby, because it's brand new now. But I'm happy with it.